Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you have been a subscriber for a while, welcome back. We're here over at the allotment garden. We're going to see what we can harvest today. Look at that. Them beautiful cherry tomatoes. Got one right here calling my name. They're coming along, everyone. So sweet. How the zucchini's doing, as you can see, it is looking beautiful. See if there's anything down here. Well, there's a little one there. Move on over here. Oh, there's a nice sized one. Oh, sorry, leaves are blocking it here. There's a nice sized one we can take home. Move this over here to the ground. See if there's anything else in here. Got some more baby little ones in there. Not ready for harvest, obviously. Over these tomatoes. Cannot wait until they're ready. I see a few of them over there that's starting to blush just a little bit, so it won't be much longer. Starting to get a little sickly, I think, because of all the heat that we've been having. If you look at the leaves at the bottom, there are some small cucumbers. Let's get you in there. It's growing nicely, not quite ready yet. I did just harvest some a few days ago. Excuse me. Look at this one, growing straight up. So, let's see here. A couple little ones. We're going to let those go for another few days. Nice one right there too. Corn leaf keeps getting in the way. There we go. I don't think anything ready to take home. Our corn is doing well. Look how tall that is. It like keeps going and going and going. Like Jack and the Beanstalk or something. But you can see the corn silks are still there. They're very moist. So they're definitely not ready. They'll get brown and dry out, and the cobs will actually pull away from the stem once they're ready. See a stink bug. This pepper is definitely ready. Got a few of them on here. They're definitely ready. We're going to go ahead and pick those. I think I'm going to try my hand at cowboy candy or jalapeno jam here soon, because I think I'm going to have enough peppers finally. Looking good. Seeing something down here. Let's see. Oh yeah, another banana pepper. Ready to go. Yeah, look at the yellowing. Because all that rain that we had, I think it damaged the plants a little bit. I'm going to go through and see if I can get any more harvest off of these jalapenos. So we're over here now at the herb garden, and as you can see, our dill is doing well. I'm going to be harvesting some of that to put in the dehydrator. also to help keep it from going to seed. Seen in my last video that we was over here, I harvested some and I used those in my pickles. So we're going to be doing that again. I don't know if I'm going to use it for my pickles. I think I'm about pickled out for the season, but I'm sure there's other things that you can use it in. So I have my dill here, and over here we have our wild thyme. Go ahead and pull some of that. So I'm going to go ahead and continue harvesting that, and then we'll be right back. I have been picking off the leaves for the sage here, and I'm going to add it to the dehydrator at home. And it doesn't hurt it. You always just want to leave at least 2/3 of the plant still intact, which I would definitely be leaving more than that. Then we have our parsley over here. So I'll be taking off the older leaves of those. Remember, just a week or so ago, they were all like this little. And now they're popped back up and ready for harvest. So I'm going to leave the rest of those there. And I got a nice big bunch of chives. Got some dill, sage, and some parsley here. So that looks good. Look here, our carrots are doing very well. They're starting to get their second set of leaves on right here in the back. Of course, I see some clover that does not need to be there. Got rid of that. I'm still waiting on the celery. Hasn't germinated yet. I've noticed that celery takes a while to get going. It is hot out here, guys. I'm getting ready to get out of here, get home and throw this stuff in the dehydrator. And if you can, remember, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Sorry, I'm really hot. And I have a bug on me. But I'm really hot, so I'm going to get everything taken care of, get out of here, and we bless you, we love you, and don't forget, share, share, share. Have a great day, everyone.